Lisa, thanks. Speaking of austerity, well, from the best home loan to the very best of financial packages, Money Magazine has named the best of the best for products of 2012. A lot of bests in there. Effie Zahos, the editor, joins me now. How are you?
Thanks, Michael. Well,
OK, home loans. Let's talk about them first. Which is the best one?
OK, cheapest home loan. So you've got to understand the category. Cheapest home loan, ING Direct in the banking section. And then in the non-bank section, Pacific Mortgage Group. Now, the great thing about these awards, they've been going for 11 years, it's going to unearth some names that you're not familiar with. So It's a great starting point. I'm not saying rush out and get it, because cheap isn't always best. But these ones, I'm glad to say, all have redraw facility in there and it's free. And that's probably the most important feature you need on a home loan. Either redraw or mortgage offset, because that's going to save you interest.
Free, that's a good word. We like the word free. OK, best savings account?
OK, best savings account. This is where if you're looking for a place to stash, let's say you've got $5,000, but you've got no more money to add to it, so somewhere to put it. Rates have been falling. We've had 2 consecutive rate cuts. Term deposit rates have fallen, so your online accounts are looking good. Rabo Direct has actually dropped its rate a little bit, but it wins if you are looking for a place to stash $5,000 over, say, 2 years. Now, in the non-bank section, surprise, surprise, the credit unions, when we're in non-banks, it's credit unions, building societies, they actually have some really good rates. Go out and look at it, Railway Credit Union. I mean, would you have thought of putting your money there?
I haven't heard of them, but the rates are coming down, though. You're making as much money on your money?
Well, they are coming down. Surprise, surprise, I think our next category is credit cards. Now, when I last look, you got 58 card issuers.
Because they're not coming down too much, are they? That's the problem.
No, only 5 have come down, which is no surprise. So, look, if your mortgages are coming down, no doubt your savings account's coming down. Your biggest question is, do you lock in? If you're locking for how long?
So, best credit card? Let's have a look at that one.
OK, best credit card. This is the cheapest credit card. So, if you are finding that you're going to go on a little Christmas binge, don't advise it, of course, and you can't pay off, say, $3,000 debt, so you're revolving your credit. You would think that rates, you know, you've got some balance transfer rates at 0.99%. They're not going to be good for you because you've got a hardcore debt. This one's going to be great for you. Bankwest, their Breeze MasterCard. It's got a low ongoing rate, and that's what you need. If you can't pay off your credit card over a long period, you don't want gimmicks, you want a good low ongoing rate. Now, in the non-bank section, we've got Credit Union SA, and again, they outperform the banks.
But the rates are still too high, aren't they? They've no way come down enough.
Well, like I said, 58 card issuers. Last time I looked, only 5 had gone down. Most of them are sitting around 20%. You can get cards around 10%, so please use this as a guide and give yours a flick.
Let's go to the super funds. I've spent a year looking at my superannuation and I still don't understand what I've done, but I think it's the right thing for me. Which is the best super fund you found?
Well, we looked at, this one's a balanced super fund. Now, you would think balance, it's balanced, everything's okay, but most of their portfolios are around 70% in growth assets like shares. So they've taken a beating. I mean, since the GFC, super funds haven't been too good. We're probably too afraid to look at our statements. This one has done better than its peers, about 4.55% over 5 years. It's still not that great, is it? No. I mean, if you put it in an online account, you would have done better. Low fees. Low fees. Right. That's why it's come up.
All good advice, Effie. Thank you very much.
Thanks, Michael.
OK, Tim Gilbert, take it away for sport.